Hi everyone, I am Teacher Joanne. Today, I am going to show you how to make the design of a DIY chip bags using Canva. I am really thankful to Canva kasi sobrang useful niya. Halos lahat pwede natin gawin sa Canva. As a teacher, lahat ng mga materials that I need to print, dito ko sa Canva dinedesign. PowerPoint presentations of my daily lesson? Canva din ang aking takbuhan. Now, I'll be using Canva as a mom since the chip bags that I will be doing today is for my son's birthday celebration. This will be his giveaway to his classmates. Lalagyan lang namin ng mga sweet treats sa loob. First step is we have to go to Canva. Click on Create a Design, Custom Size, and we're gonna do an 11-inch by 8.5-inch canvas. We will create template by clicking the element, type in square and click. Next, we're gonna adjust the size by dragging the sides. We're going to adjust our square to 6.5 inches long by 5.4 inches wide. Once we reach that, we're going to adjust our square to the center of the page. Then we will just copy and paste another square, but this time we're going to adjust the square to 6.5 inches long by 2.5 inches wide. We need 2 rectangles, so we're going to duplicate this. Then we will position it into the other side. We need 1 more rectangle, so we're going to duplicate this again and adjust this to 0.7 inches. And then just drag it along here. Next, we're going to duplicate this as well and place it at the bottom. Then we're going to highlight the entire template and group it together. Then we're going to drag the template until it's almost the same size with the paper. Now let's start designing it. I'm going to upload the photos that I will be using in my design. This will be my center image. We're going to adjust the size until it fits the center of the template. This will serve as the front of your chip bags. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-design niya sa harapan. Next, I'm going to click on text. The text could not be seen clearly, so I am going to click and drag another square. I am going to duplicate the color of my center image. Then let's drag it here at the back of our text. There, this time, the text is more readable. Now let us upload the other images that we need for our design. Then, let's start designing the entire chip bag. Okay, we're almost done. But I think I want to change the color of the top and the bottom part. I think that's better. Let us put some sparkling stars to make our design more appealing. Now that I'm satisfied with my design, it's time for me to download and save it to my laptop. There you have it. Please watch the video next to this because I am going to show you how to make the finished product of the chip bags. Kung nakatulong sa inyo ang video na ito, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe button. That way, you'll get a notification every time a content like this comes out. Hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now!